Welcome back to VictorEric Design+Build. We are here again in this house that we've shown you before. Continue our behind the scenes tour. Last time we were here, we showed you the rough-in. Now it's almost finished. We're here to do the internal deficiency walkthrough before we hand it over to client. So we're gonna give you one last sneak peek before we finish this house and pass it over with a bow for the client. Hey, it's Eric and Jenna. We are just finishing this house and we love it. We want to show you, give you one last behind the scenes sneak peek before we hand it over to our client. So come on in. So Jenna, you poured your heart and soul into this house. It's been a long process, but I think the client overall is super happy. Why don't you give us a quick tour, tell us the future areas of this house.
Absolutely, yeah. So for those of you who haven't seen the video of the behind the scenes, this is an extensive reno where we showed the lift. It might look like a new build, but it's not.
And that's a fun video if you are doing a renovation yourself and you're curious about how big a renovation could be. We pretty much gutted this whole house, but we lifted it, increased the basement, put a brand new foundation, brand new perimeter drainage around it, dropped it back down, and really everything is new inside and outside.
Except for a few wall studs.
Just a few wall studs.
So,
Great.
yeah, this is the main floor. So the clients are planning to have their living room here. For them, they had an existing wood burning fireplace, but this is a new wood burning fireplace to meet code. They're gonna have their dining room over here, which they actually, so excited to see they're having a custom dining room table from the reclaimed beams from the salvage and abatement. Yeah, and so here is their family room. Nice gas fireplace as well. And beautiful folding doors so they can entertain their guests. Go from the kitchen to the backyard. They've got a beautiful water feature out there, which we'll show you later.
Yep.
Gorgeous kitchen meant for entertaining. Pots of blue and an island for entertaining.
Yeah, this is much bigger than the old kitchen, probably double the size, I would say. I remember visiting them early on, and this is great. Lots more counter space, built-in fridge, oven, nice big island, so much more livable.
Lots of storage. They definitely said that there's not a shortage of storage here.
One of my favorite things of this kitchen is how bright we designed this space to be. Countertop, full depth running right into the windows, corner windows, really bringing that amount of light. And this is a great sink. It's the latest trend in sinks right now. It's a working sink. There's multiple levels, cutting boards, wash drains, dish drains, all of that stuff. So they're gonna have an updated, modern kitchen, working kitchen in this renovated house that they have.
All right, and another feature of this beautiful house is this powder room here. So when you walk, you see all this beautiful shiplap, but there's actually a concealed door here to bring you into this gorgeous powder room. And this beautiful wall covering with the dark accents to tie it all together. All right, well, thanks for joining us on this behind the scenes of this extensive reno. We hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, and you know, we're gonna actually be having a finished video tour of this house. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe to our channel to see that coming up. And if you are thinking about an extensive renovation or a character restoration, make sure you give us a call. I'm sure that we can help you and give you some advice on how to do that properly. I'm Eric and Jenna with VictorEric Design+Build.